Respected chief, sir, and your people, the men and women of your tribe and your island. I bring greetings from the High Chiefs of Fiji, from the President of Fiji, from the ministers of the cabinet, all chiefs, men and women of the tribes, and all the other races that call Fiji home. I bring greetings to you. We thank you most sincerely for the honor of being received here in your island, in your village, with your people around you. We are touched by the spirit of welcome that you have shown. It shows the true spirit of the islands of the Pacific we all call home. We noticed on our way from the airport to this village how the people were so happy to see us. We are your brothers and your sisters. We are with you as one people of the Pacific. We give you our commitment that we will continue to play our part to preserve the Pacific and its people and its cultures and its land and its rich fishing grounds for the generations to come. I give you our word. I give you our assurance. And I bring with me the blessings of the God of heaven and earth that we worship. And I pray that you will continue to be blessed. And you and your people and your future generations will continue to live on your islands, on your tribal lands, where your ancestors lie. God bless you, my chief. Now,